Hello, I am Potate. Let's draw eyes and color them. Yay! So first, we draw the eye, like so. Draw like a hill, so like a little bump like there. And then do another one, like that, like a fish. And then this is where tear duct, I think. I don't know. I'm just Potate. And connect a little bit this way as well. And then we put eyelid forward, like so. And we put up eye back, like so. And lastly, circle, like so. Another circle on the inside. Yay! An eye. Now let's color. Make another layer below it. I pick potato skin color, like me. Then that's strong enough. Like that. And now we pick color, kind of orange, a bit darker, like so. Now don't be scared. We do like this. So we color like that first. And then we color like that first. Like that. And then we pick the light color again. We make eye bags first. So eye bags like this. We make like this. Oops, sorry. Like this. Yeah. And then gently use your tablet pressure and sort of create like a gradient. So you can reduce more if you like. It's your drawing, no worries. And then now we do the lid. Lid, no need too much. Just a little. Like over here. And then like that. And so. Maybe a little more right here. There. Here. Now, let's color the eye. White eyes are not pure white. Unless you like to do white, and that's okay. I like to choose a little bit more gray. Like so. So just color everything on the inside. Let's fix this. Die. And now we chose a darker shade of gray. Just a little bit, no need too much. Like under the lid. Like so. Like that. Like that. We're making shape of eyeball. Like popped out, like whoa. And then we do a little bit here as well. Not too much, just a little bit. Now, I want to color this part. So pick like a pinkish red color. Like that, maybe. It's a little dark, I guess. It's okay, no need to be picky about this one. You don't see it much. So yeah, like that. No big. And now let's color the iris. So iris, I like to color dark color first. So we're gonna color normal eye. So fancy eye, you do whatever you want. Colorful rainbows, galaxies, whatever you like. But today I teach normal eye. So I color all black first. Cannot blah blah. This one has to be very, very precise. Like that. Don't worry about the one that's popped up. We fixed that later. There. Black eye. Asian eyes. Whoa. Did you know I have actually brown eyes? See? But you cannot see because only Potato can see. Now let's do brown eyes. Because I am brown eyes. And I am brown. Because I am Potato. So we color like this first. And then we do like spark spark. Boya 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 like this. But not until the edge. Just like that. No, all around. Like that. Boya 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 boya. Don't worry if it's not perfect. And now I choose a lighter brown, something like a bit orangey, like so. And I only do bottom one because light comes from here. So this here is actually shadow. We will darken it later. So we make it lighter down here. Now we darken this one here. Don't need too much, just a little bit, like so. If you feel the black is too strong, you can just lighten it with the brown. No problem, no mistakes. Have fun. I feel like I need more brown. There we go. Ta-da! Oh, the eye of seeing of everything. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Now, the eye is like that, but it's still not pretty. So, don't panic. Turn off the sketch layer. Whoa, what is going on? I said don't panic. We potate here. We do our best. Now, you take black color. We make eyelash. Step by step. Chill by chill. Panic, no panic, panic. Okay? So, right there. We do eyeliner first. So, eyeliner cover top of iris as well. Don't worry if not perfect. Eyeliner not perfect. Anyways, no problem. Right there. A little bit outside. A bit thicker if you like. Up to you. Put makeup how much you want. No problem. And now we do a little bit. Only here. But again, makeup also go until here. So again, up to you. but I like mine simple. Today is just normal eye, so no problem. Now I like to also put line here, just to make it nice. See? All better. No panic. Hmm. Now we're missing an eyelet. So instead of using black, I like to use the dark brown here. Or any like brown. You can just use this skin color and make it like dark. So you can just there. And we draw it again. Yay! Now finally, fun part. Eyelashes. So back to black. So first, it goes this way. 1, 2. Don't worry if it's like that. We add more later. And like that. And like that. And like that. And lastly, like that. And like that. So this is your basic eyelash shape. However you want it, it's up to you. Put more in between. Or you want to make zigzag. Because some eyelashes can have zigzags. Or you put more fine ones to make it pretty. Look at that! Whoa! And sometimes, some people like bottom lashes as well. So over here, we will put some. Sorry, wrong direction. This way. But very short, not so much. Very fine. Put more here if you like. Whoa! We have eyes! Whoa! And now we can start touching up. Yay! Like this part. Why did like this? No. Like this part. Very sketchy. Too much brush. Here. Finally, the fun part. Highlights. Now highlights, you can use any color, bright color you want. But I like to use white. So let's choose white. Now, if you want this to be realistic and shiny, I suggest make another layer. And let's do 2 types. One, the realistic type, and the other, just simple anime one. So let's do realistic. So realistic, just like how you shade your eyes, that's where your light limit is. Until there, only. Just like that. So, sort of pin like this, like a line, and sort of fade it down here, and then do the same down here. Now that light layer, you reduce it, like so. Now, because there is eyelashes, so it also create a shadow, like so. Oops, too thick, like yes. And there you go, very realistic lighting. But I will show you how I usually do it. Now, just turn off the light, make another layer. I just like to do nicely like this, so, like that, and a little bit like that. So you see why I like to use gray, because the highlight looks nicer. And ta-da! You have drawn and colored your own eye. Pretty! Thank you so much for watching. I will put more tutorials soon. Bye bye!